Imagine a life where your spiritual growth and maturity are not hindered by the challenges that come your way. A life where you can deepen your spiritual understanding, embrace pain, and experience the profound benefits of forgiveness. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle, feeling disconnected from our true selves. Many of us yearn for a sense of purpose, a deeper connection to something greater than ourselves. But amidst the chaos and uncertainties, we often find ourselves facing challenges that test our spiritual growth. These challenges can be overwhelming, leaving us feeling lost and disconnected from our inner wisdom. What if I told you that there is a way to navigate through these challenges, to embrace pain, and experience spiritual growth like never before? In this video, we'll explore the path to spiritual growth and maturity. We'll uncover the secrets of facing challenges head-on, deepening our spiritual understanding through the acceptance of pain and embracing the very essence of our existence. And that's not all. We'll also unlock the remarkable spiritual benefits of forgiveness, discovering its transformative power in our lives. If you're ready to embark on this transformative journey, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos that will ignite your spiritual evolution. All right, let's start. Spiritual growth is a deeply personal and introspective process. It is a journey that takes place within us, hidden from the eyes of the world. It is an exploration of our inner self, our connection with others, the vastness of the universe, and the divine. As we examine our life's experiences and seek to understand ourselves, others, and the greater cosmic forces at play, we begin to indicate a growing sense of spiritual maturity. This introspection allows us to gain valuable insights into the nature of our existence and our place in the universe. However, seeking external validation for our internal growth can be seen as a sign of spiritual immaturity. True growth comes from within oneself, from a deep connection to our own inner wisdom and truth. The validation we seek should come from our own self-acceptance and recognition of our progress on our unique spiritual path. Resistance to change can hinder our personal development on the path toward deeper understanding and greater spiritual maturity. It is natural for us to hold on to familiar patterns and beliefs, but embracing and welcoming change is a vital part of our spiritual growth. By letting go of old habits and belief systems that no longer serve us, we create space for new experiences and insights. Embracing self-acceptance is crucial for authentic recognition on our spiritual journey. It means honoring and staying true to our unique path without being reliant on external approval or constant validation of our progress. It is in this acceptance that we find the freedom to express our authentic selves and experience true spiritual growth. Acknowledging old patterns such as bad habits is an important step towards growth on our individual spiritual path. By recognizing these patterns and being willing to let go of them, we create space for further growth and transformation. It is through this process of shedding old layers that we can continue to evolve and move closer to our spiritual potential. When faced with change, it is essential to adopt an open-minded perspective and embrace new possibilities. Instead of clinging tightly to the familiar out of fear or discomfort, we can choose to explore the unknown, opening ourselves up to new experiences, insights, and growth. It is in this openness that we allow ourselves to expand, evolve, and fully embrace our spiritual journey. Change, although challenging, has the power to catalyze significant growth in our lives. It is through embracing change that we open ourselves up to new possibilities, experiences, and insights. While change may at times feel uncomfortable or uncertain, it is through navigating these challenges that we discover our true potential. When we resist or avoid change, we may find ourselves living a life that feels superficial or lacking in depth. Without engaging in spiritual growth, we miss out on the opportunity to explore the profound layers of our being and the world around us. By embracing change, we invite growth, transformation, and a richer, more meaningful existence. Spiritual maturity is a journey that requires the qualities of courage, openness, and humility. It takes courage to confront our fears, face our shadows, and step into the unknown. It requires openness to embrace new perspectives, ideas, and experiences. And it demands humility to acknowledge that life is full of ups and downs, and that we are not in complete control of everything. One of the signs of spiritual maturity is the willingness to face pain head-on. Pain, whether emotional, psychological, or spiritual, is an inevitable part of life. It is through facing and embracing this pain that we create opportunities for transformation and learning. Unwillingness to face pain, on the other hand, is a sign of spiritual immaturity, as it perpetuates a cycle of avoidance and blocks our potential for growth. Each painful experience presents an opportunity for self-reflection, introspection, and inner growth. When we confront our pain with openness and vulnerability, we unlock valuable lessons and insights that contribute to our spiritual evolution. By using pain as a catalyst for self-discovery, we move closer to a place of healing, understanding, and profound transformation. It is important to move beyond the belief that good behavior always leads to positive outcomes. Life is complex, and it doesn't always adhere to simple cause and effect patterns. True spiritual maturity involves recognizing that good deeds have inherent value on their own, and they contribute to our growth and the betterment of the world, regardless of the immediate outcomes they may or may not bring. To attain true spiritual maturity, we must appreciate goodness and virtue for their inherent value, rather than expecting tangible rewards or recognition for them. When our actions are driven by an authentic desire to act in accordance with our values, we tap into a deeper sense of purpose and fulfillment. It is in this appreciation of goodness that we find true spiritual growth. Avoiding pain and seeking only comfort prevents us from experiencing truly authentic and transformative moments on our spiritual journey. It is essential to be comfortable with the complexities and challenges of life without expecting or feeling entitled to specific outcomes solely based on our good deeds. By embracing the full spectrum of experiences, we open ourselves to profound growth and understanding. Acceptance plays a crucial role in navigating difficult emotions. Instead of resisting or suppressing these emotions, we embrace them with compassion and openness. Through acceptance, we create space for growth and resilience. It is in these challenging moments that we have the opportunity to deepen our spirituality, finding strength and wisdom along the way. Regularly asking ourselves introspective questions, such as, "How do I want to show up?" keeps us mindful and aware. By avoiding false beliefs or expectations regarding rewards solely based on our behaviors in the transient nature of our existence, we stay grounded in the present moment. This mindfulness allows us to cultivate a deeper understanding of ourselves and our spiritual path. Life is multifaceted, encompassing grief, relief, misery, and joy. Embracing all aspects of our existence teaches us acceptance and provides countless opportunities for growth and transformation. By trusting our own inner being and recognizing the eternal nature of our spirit, we navigate the ups and downs of life and continue to evolve on our spiritual journey. Lack of ability to forgive can indicate a lack of spiritual maturity. Forgiveness is not an easy task, but it is an essential aspect of our spiritual development. Holding on to anger, resentment, and grudges only serves to create barriers in our personal growth and prevent us from forging deeper connections with others. When we harbor negative emotions such as anger and resentment, we limit our ability to engage fully with life. These emotions create a wall that separates us from experiencing joy, love, and deeper connections with others. By releasing these burdens through forgiveness, we allow ourselves to break free from these self-imposed barriers. Forgiveness should not be mistaken for excusing or forgetting the harm that has been done to us. It is a conscious choice to release the hold that these events have over us. By forgiving, we free ourselves from the emotional weight that keeps us tied to the past. It is through this release that we find peace and freedom to move forward on our spiritual path. Choosing forgiveness is a powerful act of self-love and empowerment. It is a declaration that we deserve to be free from the chains of anger and resentment. By forgiving, we open ourselves up to healing and growth. We relinquish the power that the past has held over us and create space for new possibilities and deeper understanding. Forgiveness not only benefits others, but it is a transformative process that contributes to our own personal growth and spiritual evolution. It allows us to let go of negativity and invite positive energy into our lives. By choosing forgiveness, we create a fertile ground for healing, growth, and the cultivation of compassion and empathy. As we embrace forgiveness as a spiritual practice, we learn to transcend our ego-driven desires for revenge or holding grudges. This process cultivates a deeper connection with ourselves and others, fostering understanding, empathy, and unconditional love. It is through forgiveness that we can truly embody the principles of spirituality and embrace a more harmonious existence. Here, we conclude our video. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey of spiritual growth and maturity. Throughout this video, we explored the profound aspects of personal and spiritual development. We learned that spiritual growth requires facing challenges head-on. It is through these challenges that we find opportunities for growth, transformation, and a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us. Deepening our spiritual maturity involves accepting the presence of pain, embracing the complexities of our existence, and finding the wisdom and strength that lie within. By embracing all aspects of our journey, we open ourselves up to profound healing, growth, and a deeper connection with ourselves and others. We also explored the powerful spiritual benefits of forgiveness. By choosing forgiveness, we create space for healing, personal growth, and the cultivation of compassion and empathy. It is through forgiveness that we free ourselves from past burdens, allowing us to move forward on our spiritual path with lightness and love. If you found this video insightful and inspiring, we kindly ask you to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. We would love to continue sharing valuable content with you. Please take a moment to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. We value your feedback and look forward to engaging with you. As we conclude this video, we send you God's blessings on your manifestation journey. May your path be filled with abundance, love, and the realization of your deepest desires. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting. Keep embracing the challenges, accepting the pain, and cultivating forgiveness on your spiritual journey towards growth, maturity, and a more fulfilling existence.